Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm be showing y'all how I got this beautiful install using a beautiful 13x4 wig from Yolissa. Y'all see how that hair is bouncing? This was so pretty, and I will say this is at least 75% glueless, so y'all really need to stop playing with me, okay? Alrighty, so let's get right into it. First of all, shout out to Yolissa for sending me this beautiful wig. It was a 28 or 26 inch 200 density 13x4 HD frontal body wave wig. I will say hands down, this is one of my favorite wigs I've ever gotten from a company. Like, Yolissa is definitely gonna hear from me again. Like, y'all, I don't know how much this wig costs, but if you're not buying a wig from me, definitely go and buy this wig for sure, because it was so bomb. I will say, because it's so long, it's not even that long, and I don't feel like body wave or straight or any hair besides curly hair should be really tangling up just day to day. But because it's long, it does kind of get a little tangled up when you just wear it out, you know what I mean? Typical. But other than that, like, this wig is too great, and the HD lace is chef's kiss. It's HD to the max, like HD to the max. You guys will not be disappointed if you do go and get this wig. But anyways, let's get into the install. Okay, so basically, if you didn't know, I am a wig maker and customizer and just a wigologist in general. So typically when I do installs, I'll always, of course, bleach and pluck and do baby hairs and all that stuff like that with the wig off my head. I cut the lace as well, and I didn't tint. I didn't need to just yet, but typically if I needed to, I would also cut the lace and tint before putting the wig on my head, just to make the install process a lot easier. And it does help when you're trying to do the glueless process, because when it's already fixed and ready, you just have to figure out how to get it on your head without using adhesives. When it comes to frontals, though, I will say it's a little more tricky because you have more lace space. Them ear tabs be a little hard to keep down, but that's what we're working on learning how to do now. So when y'all see me next time, best believe I'm gonna have this down packed. But anyways, so obviously you can see here, almost it already looks like this wig is installed on my head. Like, you see how the prep makes the actual task a lot easier. So what I'm doing here is just getting ready to get these ear tabs down. What I did was put a little bit of mousse from my own collection on, and I sprayed some ebon spray, and then I put my elastic band on. So yeah, so here I'm just brushing all the hair out the way so that when I spray my ebon, I don't get too many like stray hairs. That's really be pissing me off. I hate when I put down my elastic band and then when I take it off, all my edges be all over the place. Like, that be pissing me off. So anyways, so you see me spraying this ebon right here just to get these ear tabs down. Frontals are typically kind of hard because, for me personally, because I have low edges and I'm still trying to work on the glueless method specifically pertaining to low edges. For all my girls that got extendo foreheads with no edges, y'all are low-key blessed for this. You have a flat foundation to put your wig on. But for me, it's kind of hard. I had to bring it forward a little bit or have a little bit more baby hairs. But don't worry, y'all, we're gonna get better. But anyway, so yeah, like I was saying, I sprayed some ebon on the side. Oh, also, you may or may not have noticed, yes, I did not do the ball cap method, and look how good this wig still looks. One thing about me, I work smarter, not harder. If it is avoidable, I do not do the ball cap method almost ever. I just refuse to put so much adhesive on my head. I gotta glue down the cap, then glue down the wig. Like, that's a lot for me. So when it comes to glueless methods, I know that this wig will be coming off later today, so I'm not really thinking about longevity. I'm just thinking about making sure it looks good for this time period that I'm finna step out the house. So I don't know what you may have heard, but the ball cap method is not always necessary. Obviously, as you will see later, the install came out pretty good, and I didn't have to do all that work. So, like I said, work smarter, not harder, ladies. But anyways, like I told y'all before, I just put my elastic band on, and I just let that sit for about like 10 minutes. Ebon dries pretty fast, so you don't really have to wait too long. Obviously, the hair was already styled. I curled it in some cute body wave curls. The hair was, like I said, 28 or 26 inches, so I'm guessing the weight of the hair caused the curls to kind of like droop. which wasn't exactly what I was going for, but it still came out pretty cute. The front part of the hair was really nice, so I'm not complaining too much. But y'all see that luster? Ooh, look at how this wig is too cute. I'm selling all the wigs that I've gotten from companies, so make sure y'all check out my Instagram or my website anytime this week, or anytime from this period on forward. I'll be selling a lot of my wigs that I've gotten from these companies. However, I will say this one just might not be up there because I am in love with this one. Like, the lace is so gorgeous. The results came out so cute. Oh my gosh, y'all ready? I look so good. By the way, and I did my own lashes. Yes, I did. My own little individual, what's it called? Like, did you get from the beauty spot? Yeah, did it myself. And they look, well, it started falling off, but they look too good. But anyways, y'all, look at this lace. Look at her. Look at this. It looks so cute. This is definitely hands down one of my best and favorite installs I've done on myself so far. You know, good hair can get you far, but that lace is what really makes most of the difference. And Yolissa, I have to say, you guys did amazing. You guys have amazing quality lace and hair. They really put their foot in this wig, and it shows. It was too bomb. This is the quickest way I've really put down a frontal, and it came out looking very good. So I don't know how more to explain these steps for y'all. Oh, look at that. It does look like it's a little, like, I got a lot of flyaways, but to be fair, I didn't use holding spray while I was styling. I just went ahead and curled it. So yeah, y'all see, you see that? And look at that, it's still kind of glued a little bit in the front. You know, it'd be easy to take off, that's for sure. That's the whole point. We just want to be able to take our wigs off easy without ripping off our edges, you feel me? But at some point, this whole thing gonna be glueless, and it's still gonna be looking real good. But anyways, yes, so that's pretty much it, y'all. Thank you for watching. I don't know what I'm doing right there. Anyways, that's pretty much it, y'all. You see how bomb this wig is? It was really pretty. It came out very nice. Y'all see that lace don't even look like lace. It's straight scalp that's coming out my scalp. But basically all you need is some ebony, some mousse, and an elastic band, and you good to go. That's the quickest and simplest way that I have found to install frontal wigs. Really, wigs in general, when it comes to closures, you don't even need ebony, just mousse and a band, and you should be good to go, especially if you have good lace. But this time around, I did have to use a little bit of ebony for them ear tabs, but it's okay, girl, because it still came out hella cute. Tabina. Nah, but for real though, this is too cute. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Mwah, mwah. See you in my next video. Bye. Yeah, so obviously this wig is 10 out of 10 in my opinion. I actually do really like it. Very excited about it. When I first got this wig, it's very thick. It's 200 density. It's a body wave, 26 inches, I think it is. 13x4 HD frontal. The hair is super thick and it feels very healthy. No split ends, not a lot of shedding. The lace is nice. The knots didn't bleach as well as I wanted them to bleach, which was kind of weird to me. But like everything else kind of balances it out, so it's not even like, oh, you know, like it's not that big of a deal, because you know at the end you still get a good like finished product. But other than that, like I actually love this wig. It's so cute. Like I put my band back on just so it could dry a little bit more. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this cute little tutorial. It wasn't even much of a tutorial per se, but you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And that's it. But what do y'all think? Like, cute as shit, right? Cute. This would be my go-to wig, I can't lie. And then I put a band on it also. I don't think I told you guys or showed you guys, but I've shown you guys in previous videos. I did put an elastic band on it. I'm also very excited to reinstall this wig, because next time I put it on, I'm definitely gonna try to just go completely adhesive free, like 100% glueless, and see how that comes out. Cause I'm a girl on the go. Like I be on the go, you feel me? So yeah. But other than that, Yolissa, y'all did y'all thing with this wig. Oh my gosh, it's too cute. It's too cute.